What's up, everybody? Got this new beast, 2000 Ford Excursion with the 6.8 liter V10 four-wheel drive. It's pretty good shape. It's got 123,000 miles on it. It's nice and clean. Looks good. Drives pretty nice for, what it is. So I wanted to do this video really to ask all the excursion fanatics out there what mods I should be doing. So basic use for this is going to be, kind of the family cruiser when we take long trips. I want to pull our boat, which is not a super heavy boat. It's a 24-foot deck boat. And then, occasionally be able to pull a one-car trailer with a car or a truck on it. So I know I want to do something in the back. Haven't decided yet if that's airbags or sumo springs or what that's going to be, but like I said, just kind of making this video so anybody out there that's into excursions, that has one, that has done mods to it, can kind of give me some feedback on things I should be looking into, products you recommend, anything like that, your experience with them. If you've done a video of doing an install and a review or anything like that, feel free to drop the video down in the comments, and I look forward to reading what you guys have to say. Thanks for watching.